Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about variable. So let's start our today's discussion. What is variable? A variable is a name of memory location. It is used to store the data. Its value can be changed and it can be reused as many times as we want. So variable is nothing but a named memory location which is used to store the data. The value of any variable can be changed at any point of time during our program, and it may be used many times. The variable can be used as many times as we want. Okay, so how to declare a variable in program or CPP? So is a variable type and then variable name. In that way we need to declare any variable. So if we want to initialize the value of variable, then in that way we need to initialize the value of that variable type, then variable name, and we need to assign the value of the variable in that variable. Okay, so in this video we will discuss about these three type of variable. So integer type of variable, int stands for integer variable, float stands for floating point variable, and char stands for character type variable. So integer type variable are used to store the whole numbers. So suppose we want to store value 1 or value 2, or say suppose we want to store the value 1000 or minus 1000. In that case we can use integer type of variable. Okay, so what is float type variable? If we want to store some variable, some value with decimal point, in that case we can use float type variable. Say suppose we want to store 3.14, that means the value of pi. So in the value 3.14 there is a decimal point after 3, so we need to store this value in the float type of variable. And character type of char variable is used to store single character. So suppose we want to store variable a, then that case we can use a character variable. So let's see the coding example of this program. So okay, let's write the program. So just hash include iostream to include the iostream library to our program. Then we need to use using namespace std and add int main. So how we can declare? So just we need to write int a equals to 10. Then this is the integer type of variable. The variable name is a, and we assign the value 10 to the variable a, and just we write print the value to the console, value of a and enter, and just return 0. So see what is the output of this program. So just create the console g++ variable dot cpp. When we run the program, this output is value of a equals to 10. So suppose we want to store some float value, float pi equals to 3.14, and we bring the value of pi. So value of pi equals to pi, and if we compile this file again, and after compilation if we run this file, see the value of pi is 3.14, and we want to store a character value char ch, and after declaration we can assign the value again in that manner, character a, and if we assign this value and value of ch, just we need to check print ch. So let's see what is the just compile this file again and run this. See the value of character equals to 1. So if you like this video, then please share this video with your friend and please subscribe our channel. Thank you.